Yeah. Good evening, my people. It's a quick one. You understand? I remain your boy, your friend, peace, man. But a quick one at this moment. You understand? So just a quick message. I saw a video this evening because I been want sleep. I been want your sleep. So, but the video when I see, or the things when I see. So I say if I not talk about it now. By tomorrow I no get chance to talk about am because tomorrow morning I'm off. You understand? So I see video when e be say e no go down with me because if most of una see person or Benin people na this thing happen to, I know say many people go come out. Yes, Benin, Iviedo, Eriya, yeah, Benin people for this, for that, for the other one. This one now na Igbo people. Now this thing happen to. So if you can share this video, you can go ahead and share. And if you cannot share it, there's no problem. You understand? So I just want to tell and say, not be only Benin people, they do rubbish. Even this one that happen for Nigeria. This story when this thing when I want to play for now, so it happen for Nigeria. When we say gay people when they Nigeria. This one na boys, Igbo people, boys, they don't go see woman, come follow again. As speckle sweet rich, as woman sweet rich, they say no, say woman not sweet then. Waiting sweet then a man like them. Waiting sweet then na nyash. Wear cheats for the come out, na I can sweet then. No woman again for Nigeria for them to marry, except man like them. You understand? More listen to the rubbish boys. Because I quickly do this video before I sleep. Listen to this useless boys.
Yes, now you know where to start again. That day now, he bring him bag, come there for my house.
That's Chukuma.
Yes, Chukuma. So that day when he to my house now, but before he come, I then say, now watch Chukuma, no get on all day. There are some play when we say me and the play. He say what me play. Already you know about it. You know about it. So he say which kind play? I then say I want to man now. He said that one a small thing. Then he said that one a small thing. When we reach my house that day in the night, forgot that man. After he faced me, we played with each other. After I do and finish, I fuck him, it's true. After he fuck me. Okay, after that, he gave my house, I can't travel. But if I lie, God, I die. May my soul not rest in peace. But if I just talk true, God deliver me and set me free. Because all these things, all of them, my game man. Understand? All of them are game man. This one where they here now, that day one day I come, this one tell me, say one boy come here, saying they stranded, you know, get money for go. Saying give 100 naira. I don't know this one. So the next day this boy can't come. He can't call, he was saying I me being brother. So this one contact me, finish, say, tell me everything. Okay, we stay finish. I asked him where in they say, in they stay for, he say in the estate, in they go. So again, I tell him like they live for estate. He say he go like to follow me go nowhere I dey live. Na two I dey talk. Then he will go. We eat. After we eat, we buy smoke. After buy,
Which kind of smoke?
India M. I buy India M. We smoke finish. We take a star. Then I take a small start. He say he want to go to my house. We go to my house. As we go to my house, we reach my house. At my house we smoke finish. Okay, I tell say okay now we don't become friend. He said there's no any problem. I tell say but there's another one to say there's one thing we say he could. I tell say there's one thing what we say help me do am. He say what thing be that? I tell say mine to my he asked me say like how. Then I put my cloth into pool. He said now this one. He said now this one. Now anything where I need, he go do am for me. Saba say if you need something, I go do am for him. After that day, he can't go. And that day be first day, me I no do again.
Waiting be your name.
And then Victor John.
Waiting made them bring you come this police station.
I they say you got for Select Express. I did with my brother. One of my brother, where the flush they say you got. You come for a place where they say you got. Meet him brother. Ask him brother who be me. Brother say they work the same company. They send me. You come from my shop to buy me you got. Asking me who I may. I said I live for 154 Okota Road. my brother. I say you God. You get what hanky when they use hanky, white hanky. He say I sweat. Carry the hanky to my face. Come to my face. My body shock. He give me money, buy you got 15 naira. Tell me, see, won't see me for a shop. Which way they say for some function for a shop when they stay. He won't see me with that him brother. That day, I no go. When I reach house, he get his mobile to do me. That him brother, family come for house. Name, Nand. She might have not come. This will be good to happen. Say, your son won't tell me. He won't tell me. After the boy come for a shop. This is my sit down. I sit down. Don't touch me like this. And if I live, when they talk, this 1 year when keeping stay me, they find me for house. They know what they find me. I don't go to myself again. Don't carry me go for a house. When I reach for a house for Jibo, when they leave, they open freezer, bring one wine. I say, my dress, I never fit drink. I know they take. I have light brain. They force me say this is my American wine. They catch person. When I drink a wine for a house, I don't get myself. Sleep, they catch me. Don't carry me. If I bed, my sleep. When I wake up in the morning, no life for yoga. My body is soaked. I got this man, what did for me? I didn't get myself. Where's my brothers? Where's my sisters? How I came for this house? He said, I could down. Got that hand, in my face. Was it my face? I can't sleep again for a bit. He tell me, Victor, I said, I have to wake up. I sit down. That's my sit down. He said, now I'm going to go for my papa house, my brother's house. Take my bag. Come for him shop. And they live with him. I said, yes. I said, you carry people for house. When I reach house, my brother's house, my brother called me. Then I see my brother. I see devil. You draw me for shirt. I just go inside like Mumu. I know what you do me. Carry my bag, go meet him for shop. He take me for his house again. Carry something we put for water, which bath me. Sometimes I get myself. If you watch me, I get myself. I won't walk out, run. He will hold me for shirt. Touch me, I sit down, I sit down. What they told me I did do. This going to hear Andy. Don't be for your house. What they told me, what they do. My brother, they have information that they see me for seller. Why they see oil? I do like the person with the mad. This people can tell you. Time they see me, but at the mad, at the madness. That my brother carry me. They drag me motor to church. They give me fasting to do 4 days dry fasting, no water, no anything. When I reach house, brother house, they told me to go for the man's house and ask the man. When I reach house, he asked me where I go. When I reach house, but they pray. This is which prayer they pray. If I pray, they beat me as a grace. It be my witness. They pray. This is how I don't touch me again. This is the walk. I shout the blood of Jesus in my mind. My body shake. It didn't get me. I can't say, since this man where the fuck. What do you mean of this man where the fuck? He say, V, touch me again. I do like this. I said, did it before. I just do like this. Like a mumbo. I said, this don't tell me. If fuck man, you take a star. You condemn the person. Forever and ever. You get put the time, the person get mad. I say, yes. And so, God, how many places you don't do the same? You tell me, say, before, really before, no fuck man. The police come and arrest him and run. They catch him, two brother, jelly him for sale, almost 3 months. You spend money, that when get money, you spend money. The quality does some brother and run away. For Ujibo. In the flat for Ujibo. The room. Flat and live. In fuck man too. Man, when the fuck, sit waiting, they said. You take the person star, the person cannot be a woman again, and the person could not born again. And at the time where I get myself for church in the mobility.
Which time you get your church, self for church? How long ago?
This is 3 weeks where I get my life.
So you stay with her for 1 year before they come see you for Sele?
Because for Sele.
Where your house there?
I live with him.
Where your own brother house there?
They for Okata Road here.
And they don't say that which side they sell your yogurt before.
Now for select there, I sell my yogurt.
And at the same place, now they can't still see you again. They sell engine oil. And how come for 1 year where they keep you for house, where they call sell engine oil?
I always coming for a shop. So you leave me for house. They spy food for me.
What's your name?
Fine, easy.
What are you doing in this police station?
On Monday last week, I come from East. So, because I have come before, if I come, I will hustle pure water and go back to school. And
Which school is that?
Zero International College, Ebonyi State. So, this boy is from Imo State. I introduced myself for him, and he helped me the day I came. So the next time I came, that day, he told me that there is someone that is his oga, that I will need to see him, that he is looking for me. So the next time I came, I see him. He told me that he asked him whether is it the person he was introducing for him. Is this? He said yes, that is the person. So I can't feel comfortable for him because he said that he's staying with him. So by that time, he went and buy malt for me that I should drink. I drank malt. So he was asking me about my school. How am I feeling? What did this one? I was telling him. So by the time he told me that we should go for him house so that I will bath. So I said, okay, no problem. In the afternoon, as we are going, he buy 2 bottles of Star for me. I drank. So by then, I was intoxicated because he's forcing me. We reach at the house. He buy India him was smoking and they forced him.
Is that the first time you are smoking in there?
I never tried it. So he was forcing me. I smoke by then. By then I was not. I didn't. It can't be like say this house. Now me carry him for it. So by then, I don't get myself again. To tell you the truth, in that afternoon, he can't do something for me. The time I get myself is the time he wake me up on the bed. He said that I should do. I tell him, do what? Are you not the one who said it? Do what? He said that I should do fuck him. I tell him my penis still there in there, but for my anus there is sperm in it. So I was doing like drunker by then. So he said that I should fuck him. I tell him, say, I don't know the meaning of that thing you are saying. So he can't say if I cannot, let us go now. By then I wear my clothes. It is the next day, because toilet did not hungry me that.
So my people, una see the rubbish, the nonsense when they go on for that Nigeria, when we say Igbo people. This one now not be Benin people, because una when go hear about Edo people, social media catch fire. Una go say see them Edo people, na so they fuck them for yansh, man to man they fuck. Now only Edo, now only Benin people, now they do all those kind of rubbish. Una see na this one na Igbo people, Igbo boys, Igbo men. Now they fuck their yansh so. Igbo men, they fuck their nyash, they fuck man. As I just be so now, as my nyash precious to me reach one bastard, one idiot, come tell me say open now, make I fuck. That bastard, that idiot, I go make you say I took him for a hair. I go make you say I took him for a hair. Nyash no be to fuck. God create nyash. Say na to dey pass wetin you eat for belle, na to dey pass am heart. Na God take create nyash. God no create nyash. Say make man dey fuck nyash. God no create am. Why he can't be say that Nigeria na Igbo people no want turn everybody to gay. And una can't forget say person wey dey fuck for nyash. Tomorrow they come wey be say go come get infection. You can't get nyash infection. Tomorrow they come be say the person can't get nyash infection. They get to they call nyash infection. because that place is not made for pennies. And some girls still there, they go leave their bekus, though they fuck their nyash. It is wrong. All these are all wrong, guys. Even some guys there, when they say they go choroti, when they say if they go choroti, they go say, I just go chorot today, I get 200 euro. I go chorot today, I get 100 euro. I go chorot today, I get 150 euro. I go chorot today, I get 50 euro. Now lie. It is not possible for a guy to go to choroti, to go beg money, you can't get 200 euro. For a guy to go beg money, you can't get 100 euro. For a guy to go beg money, you can't get 50 euro for just one day, for just maybe only money. It is not possible. Either the guy they fuck the guy in yash, or the guy they fuck person yash. And which is wrong? You they fuck person yash, or person they fuck your yash. It is wrong. You understand? It is wrong. This is your man lucky. You say Europe not fit you, and that means now what you they do? Now what you they do? Okay. Must you do that to get money? Must you do that? Must they fuck your nyash for you to get money? We know say women they are there. God create and say, pekus now where pennies go they enter. God not create and say, anus now where pennies go they enter. God not create like that. God no create not be. God get sense. God get sense. Women fool everywhere. If you open your mouth, talk to this one, you know green. Talk to the other one. If you know, talk to the other one. Before you talk to 5, talk to 10, you must see one way be say go green for you. If you never see one way green for you, go carry woman for a shower house. Go carry woman for connection house. Give her small money. Do what you want to come out there. That's it. Don't they fuck your nyash because you need money. When you know say this life, vanity upon vanity, it is vanity. What shall you profit a man if you gain the whole world and loses your soul? People, do you want people to they run follow this money? I don't really understand. Some girls they out there. See these girls. Let me show them. These girls.
Papa, oh, Almighty God, I'm not just say we gonna make 90% of our girls, Narons girls. Them they share their bekus, distributing bekus. Person seriously, go they do another person husband for money. So, you should say we go make it heaven, no. Papa, oh, Almighty God, I'm not sure say we go make it heaven, no. Wicked things. Imagine say the body end today now. Hellfire direct.
Even for these girls who now, waiting even pay me for inside now. If you see this one when it did down now, if you see her body, she is so dirty. When you talk of dirty, say person the dirty, she is so dirty. Look her skin. Look her skin. If me there with this kind of my penis no will get up. Look at skin, even said me. This one never even bath. On a now. If you want to carry woman will be say still they clean. Carry woman be say if you see, even see the woman never even push it. Your penis go rise. No, all these dirty things. All these dirty things they are doing. You just make me my head escape. All these are giving us bad names in this Europe. They give us bad names. Man, they fuck man. Woman, they fuck woman. Which gain are they gain for all this nonsense? Which enjoyment they all this nonsense? Now so God say create, huh? Now what God say can they do now be all this? People just can't lose their conscience because of money. Many people lost their conscience because of money. When you know, see this money, if you die today, you know they follow you, they go anywhere. You know they follow you, they go anywhere. As you they die, that money don't go. They don't fit bury you, mean they can't carry money, put where you go. No, it's not possible. Look at what my brothers and sisters they are doing, even in Africa and in Europe. Somebody don't tell me, say, because I want to get freedom, because say I want to get my freedom. That's why I come up for Nigeria, because as a gay, that they disturb me for Nigeria. They don't allow me to get peace. So as I come Europe now, they legalize one for Europe. It's free. So you feel do one for Europe, no problem. This, that. What are you saying? What are you people saying? Let me tell you something. These your people now, not be Benin people, they disgrace now. Now your people now, Igbo people, Isioma, Lucky. Now your people now, they disgrace you now. The Igbo boys now, the Igbo men in Nigeria now, they are fucking their anus. They are fucking themselves. Or you not hear the confession, where they confess just now, when police don't arrest them now, you don't hear the confessions. They are confessing big time now. They confess big time. Because in Nigeria, we no legalize them. In Nigeria, it's against the law. It's against the law in Nigeria. A man not fit a fuck man yash. Woman not fit a lick woman bekus. That one not go satisfy you. Even waiting, be said, if man even use the cassava, take sleep with woman. Some women they complain say not satisfy them. Talk about say woman to woman, man to man. What you know again there? God say more come the world, more come multiply. Now so I want to multiply. If they lick woman bekus, if woman they lick woman bekus, woman they feed a bone. If man they fuck man anus, man they feed a bone. So what are you people doing? What are you people doing? This is I know say sometimes why not they blame one too much? Because this is the sign of end time. Because God's right hand of the Bible say, if the end time don't they come, things will not fail they happen, go come they happen. That is why I'm not surprised. So many fake pastors they out there today. So many things will not fail they happen. So many people they kill their brother because of money. So many people they kill their sister because of money. So many people they use people pint say they do ritual. So many people they use people bosses say they do ritual. So many people see these things not surprise me anymore. You understand? Isioma, any more comment from you, I go block you, because when Benin people will come out, me as an Edo guy, I go still come out, I go talk and what is wrong is wrong. Don't tell me that 80% of Edo women are prostitutes. Is your father, your mother, your generation, your family, all of them, they are prostitutes. Isioma Lucky, all your generation are prostitutes. My sisters, they can never do this kind of rubbish that Igbo people are doing. I'm not going to block you. I will never block you. I will leave you to be looking at my handsome face. You understand? Because I too cute. I do me a go shave. Because my head does butch. I too cute. Just they look my handsome face. I'm not going to block you. You understand? Yes, I'm not going to block you. Turn that way, go fire you, they do press up. Now your sisters, your generation, now they do ashawo. Because my sisters, they are not prostitutes. Benin people, they are not prostitutes. Our Benin girls, they are not prostitutes. And they can never be prostitutes. You understand? So those ones, when they claim Benins, will not be Benin girls. They be Igbo people. They be Igbo people. Because now Igbo people, then they disgrace themselves like that. Igbo girls, when they say they don't gog, when they say they don't frustrate, they go come and begin to speak Benin when they not sabi. They begin to speak Benin when they not sabi. Say they be Benin. Now look at what your brothers are doing. 100% of Edo women are prostitutes. I said it before, your mama, because when you for call other women prostitute, you as a woman, when you call other women prostitute, you are a prostitute. A daughter of a condemned element mother of a condemned element father, you are a prostitute. Because I love my Benin sisters and they are not prostitutes. Now only Igbo people, now you go see say they go marry, man go put them for house. They go stay under my consider the fuck, then they join house. Another man consider the fuck, then they join us. Yes, Paco Nines, I greet you. I greet all of you guys. It's just a short video because I be done they sleep. When I see that video, I say, me I quickly address and then this each man lucky they write rubbish. You understand? See, Isioma Lucky, let me give you at least 1 second of my time. If you come my platform, this is my platform, you come my platform, come they look me. That means you are a stupid person then, because I don't invite you for my platform. This is my platform. This is my platform, not your platform. So what I'm trying to say is that what your people are doing, if not Benin people, now see say that they fuck themselves, so say police can arrest them. Social media no go get word. Now so of now go they talk Benin people, if you do, Now look at your brothers. Look at your brothers now fucking their nyash. They fuck themselves. For you to write better comment here now, for you to blame your people now, you say 100% of Benin gets their prostitute. Maybe say na prostitution I go na even kill your man. Before your mama stop prostitution, not be HIV she get. Or you just don't know your story. I know your story. I know your mama's story. Is your man lucky before your mama stop prostitution? Now HIV, now she carry, now that HIV, now kill her. True or false? Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Now HIV kill your mama because Kokobiri vandalize your mama. Igbo people vandalize your mama. Outside people vandalize your mama. Even your mama even come Benin people side. They say no. We don't do things like that. Benin people, we don't believe. Boza for Benin people. Boza for Benin boys. Boza for Benin women. Benin women, they are the best women in Europe. Benin women, they are the best women in Africa. Benin men, they are the best men in Europe. Benin men, they are the best men in Africa. That is where anywhere I see a Benin woman, I salute her. I salute her. Because Benin women, they try to even make ends meet. But once they don't enter husband house, you never see Benin woman where be say he enter husband house, he come from husband house, go to do prostitution. He did. It's your man lucky. You don't see Benin woman where be say she enter husband house. She come from her husband house, go do prostitution. You know they. But Igbo people, they go put them for house. Another man see they fuck them, they join house. You understand? No, my brother, Ogbeide. No, I know I go man now because you know why I want man now. You know I want man now. Now I want to tell you so. Because me now, I dey happy now say now their own people now. Now I can't do something like this. We can't be say Igbo man, they fuck Igbo man. Yeah, no. Isabella, it's your man lucky. Never come out. Never come out. Stay with me. Stay with me. If you see any Benin woman when be say if they do waiting you they call them so send the video come for me. I go talk about them. But you know they. Now look your brothers soon now. Not be their confession. No be we see just now your brothers and your sisters. We see all of their confessions. When we say they confess and they say they fuck themselves in ash. When we see the other guests now, they shook hands for their bekus. Guests to guests, they shook hands for bekus. What nonsense is that? What rubbish is that? There are so many men out there. There are so many women out there. Go for one of them. Then at least it's better than for you as a man to the fuck man yash. For you as a woman to the lick under your fellow woman bekus. Even today when I go one place today now, guess when I see the Igbo guess when I see there. Those one I don't think when I see they be guess again. Because they be boys. As in, I don't know how to describe them. They be gay, lesbian, which I know, but they are it don't turn to man, no. You understand? I can't go meet them. I can't say, bros, babe, and I say, who be babe? You don't say I be guy. I say, may you be guy, but you see get small breast. Now I say, I bet pack well. I be guy. Now say, you be guy. Now say, but you get bekus now. I say, wait, you say, wait, be bekus. You say, I be guy. You say, look, my girlfriend. Get together now the turn, so get together. But if you see all those, if you see the ones we call themselves men for inside, they don't turn to ma finish. They don't turn to ma finish. They don't turn to ma finish. Igbo people, una do one for Nigeria, you no rich. Una can't come Europe again now. Because I see they spoil Europe. Igbo people. Igbo people, now they talk so. All Igbo people, they are all gay. They are all lesbians. Now me talking. All Igbo people, they are all gay. They are all lesbians. Because for you, it's Chioma to call my sisters Ashawo. All Igbo people, they are all gay and they are all lesbians. Anyone want carry and go. Anyone want cut that part, say now waiting I talk be that, mona cut on. Igbo is the best in the world. Edo State are disgrace to the world. Yes, Edo State, thank you. But Edo people know they do it una they do so now. Benin people know they do it now, they do so. Which Benin guy you don't see say they fuck your own fellow Benin guy nyash? Which Benin guy you don't see say they leak your own fellow Benin guy toto? You don't see her? If you don't see her, send me the video. As they send me this Igbo people, so when they fuck their nyash, maybe say they come arrest them. So send me Benin person home like that. Send me the video. Say, bro, see the video. You know they Edo to the world. I'm proud of where I'm coming from. I'm so proud of where I'm coming from. I'm fucking proud of where I'm coming from. Because we get things. Kevin, you say Kevin, let me tell you something. Kevin not be Benin. Kevin is not from Edo State. But just that, unfortunately, that Kevin can speak Benin. Kevin is not from Edo State. If you use that word, say Kevin is not from Edo State. Okay, another Igbo person don't come. Natasha Gold. Another Igbo person don't come. Bro, say what you know. Let me tell you something. In Benin parable, ya bitan we iyo homa man or mama or Roma hobo. Me as a Benin, Oviedo Pataki, I can never come out and bring my people down. No. I can never come out and bring my people down. Do you understand? Because they are my people. But when they are doing wrong, I will still tell them that this thing that you are doing is wrong. You dey say Kevi, who be Kevi? Which Kevi be that? There are Benin guys who are gay and also Benin girls who are lesbians. Let me tell you something. You say that there are Benin guys who are gay and those who are also lesbians. All those people, when you call Benin, they are not Benin people. They are not Benin guys or Benin girls. They are from another tribe, but claiming Benin. They are from another tribe, but trying to spoil Benin. Brother Friday, Pama. I don't understand. Good evening. Oh, you good evening too, but I don't really understand the name when you talk. You understand? Yes, the love daughter, I greet you, my brother. Let me tell you something. Because so many people out there, because this Benin language, not waiting they too hard to quick speak. That is why once they don't speak Benin, they'll come out, they say they be Benin. They are not Benin. As they say, where are you from in Edo State? Where are you from in Edo State? Yes, my brother Raymond, those guys are disgrace. They are disgrace. Let me play the record for you again. Let me play the record. Before I play the record, let me show you this stupid guess. Let me show you this stupid guess. When I see those dirty guests, those are those dirty guests. Let me play you the Boex record.
Again. That day now, he bring him bag, come there for my house.
That's Chukuma.
Yes, Chukuma. So that day when he go to my house now, but before he come, I tell him say now watch Chukuma, get on all day. There are some play when we say me and the play. Oh. He say what me play. Already you know about it. You know about it. So he say which kind play? I then say I want to man now. He said that one a small thing. Then he said that one a small thing. When we reach my house that day in the night, forgot that man. After he faced me, we played with each other. After I do and finish, I fuck him, it's true. After he fuck me. Okay, after that, he gave my hand, I can't travel. But if I lie, God, I die. May my soul not rest in peace. But if I just talk true, God deliver me and set me free. Because all these things, all of them are my game man. Understand? All of them are game man. This one where they here now, that day one day I come, this one tell me, say one boy come here, saying they stranded, you know, get money for go. Saying give 100 naira. I don't know this one. So the next day this boy can't come. He can't call, he was saying that me being brother. So this one contact me, finish, say, tell me everything. Okay, we stay finish. I asked him where in they say, he stay for, he say in the estate, in they go. So I can't say me I live for estate. He say he go like to follow me go nowhere I dey live. Na two I dey talk. Then he will go. We eat. After we eat, we buy smoke. After I buy
Which kind of smoke?
India M. I buy India M. We smoke finish. We take a star. Then I take a small start. He say he want to go to my house. We go to my house. I was going to my house. Reach my house. At my house we smoke finish. Okay. I said okay now we don't become friends. He said there's no any problem. I said but there's another one to say there's one thing where we say he could. I just said there's one thing where we say he could help me or he could help me do it. He said what thing be that? I said mine to mine. He asked me say like how. Then I put my cloth into pool. He said now this one. He said now this one. Now anything where I need, he go do them for me. Somebody say if you need something, I go do them for him. After that day, he can't go. And that day be first day. Me I no do again.
What be your name?
Wait to una yes so they can't go. They can't go buy their hem. As they buy their hem finish now, they can't smoke. As they smoke finish. They cannot lie nisan. They begin to fuck. They begin to go for Igbo people. Igbo men. Now this one can be the new style of ritual. One I can't do now. This one I can be the new style of ritual. One I can't do now. Not be to the still pint again. Take go they do Yahoo Plus. Not be to they use people till they do money ritual again now. Now to they carry una self now one can after una don smoke Igbo, una don drink wait una no know wait una don drink kurukpo, una don drink jedi, una don drink gogoro, una don drink kankan, una don drink all of them. Then from there now man go pull the man yash when go put pennies for yash, then he go begin to blow and God forbid. God forbid. It is wrong. It is so wrong, guys. man making love with wetin be making love? What be making love? Making love anything. How you making love now? How you making love? How you making love? If I talk to a woman, the woman not green. There are other women. There are many fishes in the ocean. There are many fishes in the river. Fish is many. Boom. Ugona guama kwe, ugwale no pa gugwa, ino ba ma kwe okegwe 10, okegwe 20 gwa. Wa mi opa no we yese menuta e mata no. Wa pa no we yese menuta is love doctor you say okay me okay no problem. No problem. I'll send the video come for you later, love doctor. When I got through for this my program, I will send you the videos, the girls on and this stupid boys on. I will send you for WhatsApp. You understand? So please, if you want to contribute to this program, you can easily call my WhatsApp number, which is +39 35 11 20 42 09. +39 35 11 20 42 09. You understand? Because this one a disgrace. This one a big shame. This one a big shame. So many things they go for this Europe. You see say your brother, it the same money they come out. 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 Let me tell you something. Most of them are this kind of thing that they do. Most of them, they are doing this kind of thing. Okay, you need the video, please. Which of the video? The man who I be the girl soon. Which one for inside? Tell me the one you need for inside. Then I know the one I was saying. Come. Tell me the one you need for inside. You understand? So please, if you can check this video, you can go ahead and share. If you cannot check, there's no problem. But I need you to check this video so that this video can go viral. So there are so many persons out there, they can watch this video, they can come along. You understand? You, not they told the happy say, my brother, my guy get money, my guy, if I ask him, if they give me, you know what your guy they do? Some guys, they go get girlfriend. Okay, no problem. I will send them to you for messenger later if I true for this video. Some guys, they get girlfriend. They go see they fuck man like them, or you go they fuck them. Or you go they give them money, then you will be their girlfriend, they'll come they spend that for you. You come they talk say, the friend guy, my guy is this, my guy is that. Let me tell you something, no guy when go shoroti. As far as say me, I don't do that shoro. Na Italy I did. Me, I don't do that shoro. I know say choro, you know if you go choro for money from money till one, me you get 100 euro, or me you get 50 euro, or me you get 200 euro. You understand? Okay, Tracy OB, you need the video too. Which of the video, the girls want to be the boy on? So tell me the one you still need, Tracy OB. You understand? Because, please share. Okay, please share to your friend. Share the video to your friend. Let the video go viral, please. Let me tell you something. If you dey date guy for Europe, you dey date girl for Europe, try investigate that girl. Try investigate that guy. Make you know wetin that guy, wetin dey truly dey do. No let your guy come out say he go shoro na so he can't get 200 euro. He can't happy come house. Then you when dey house now you can't say that shoro dey pay. That na lie. Your guy yansh you don finish. Only say guy wey phone only say he only say. A guy na high total, he don't get bend, he go bend like this. He go bend like this. One guy they tell me today for where I go. He tell me he asked girl for Nigeria at that time. He said this girl. Okay, no problem. He said this girl. It's not they like maybe may just fuck her. You see the girls they like just romance, just romance, just kiss, just do everything, just you see now those things. See now come ask the girl one day say, this one be say if I want do okay, send me your number. Bros, I don't call my number just now. Oh Dusty. Oh Dusty. I call my number just now. You understand? At least by now, I don't believe say my number now. The number won't hide again now. Every time my number is in my wall, I need the video, bro. Favor Patrick Osage. Who come with pretty good. Please, bro, I need the video of the girl. What soon waiting they happen. Una need the video, I need the video. Come, now tell us something. Una want to say una need the video of the guest. See. Now yes, see when they talk. So try to investigate your man. Some married men, they say they do the same thing when they talk so. Some married men, they do it and they talk so. Some married women, they do it and they talk so. Try investigate them. Okay, I bet me I send you the guest video. Come, when I call those video, cut the bekwao. Why I video ni agbe come now look at those guys as they do. No, they don't say they do show free. Show free. Show free. Show free. Now come take go do show free. I just go beg now. You understand? I'm just joking. People know me by now. So, married women. Now my friend be this. Now my sister be this. She can't greet me. She wants to spend some time with us. Carry your eye, come down. Investigate that your wife. Investigate that your fiancé. Investigate her where. Investigate that your boyfriend. Investigate that your husband. You understand? Because if you say, now after all, now a friend now, the girlfriend they come, now a friend, now a sister, now I bet me I leave them, I come out. No, don't be surprised. Say one day you just barge in, just enter as you see and say, either your wife they lick the woman bekus, or the woman they lick your wife bekus, or either the man they fuck your husband for nyash, or your husband they fuck the man for nyash. Don't be surprised. You understand? Don't be surprised. So investigate that man. Investigate that woman. Yeah, I said it. I will send it to you people, guys. I will send it, but after the video. But this one of now, they tell me send that. So I don't feel remember how many of you now when they ask for the videos. Because as I end this live video now, I dey sleep. I don't even enter bed. But as they send me the video, I need to talk about it. That is why I get up. If you see I'm my nightgown, now I even wear so. This is my pajama. Why till they sleep? Now I wear so. You understand? So what I see? Let me tell you something, guys. What you now go do? After my live video, I believe say all of now get me as friend for Messenger now. Just send me message, say, bro, send me the video. Bro, send me the video. Bro, send me. In case me have for fee, send all of you now. Because I know I'm not going to verse. You ask me, I send the video, I'm not send that. I not get it until they do. I not get it use until they do. After I don't talk about them finish, I delete them. Because one woman carry one story come for me. But I just look and say, I beg, not be everything I want to talk. You tell me, he say, man, when I born for, man, when be say I get 2 kids for, that man, I can't discover, say, that man are gay. You say, I can't discover, say, that man are gay. Iya wa gbo ni san. Onana, eyan gbo ma iya gbiyen Iya gbiyen I talk, man like you. Go the hammer your nyash. Okay, now, if man the fuck man, that man who they fuck, I say they shot. You go come dey shout, who. Which kind romantic sound can be that? Which kind romantic sound? At least if you dey sleep with girl now, the woman the girl go take they scream. It go dey make person like me. If I dey make love now, so maybe I dey make love with woman, that woman not even dey scream. E just dey there big. I just get up. I just vex get up. Just vex come out. You understand? If you dey make love with person, you hear that romantic sound. Man, my body go dey do me. You understand? Okay, talk of man. If they hammer you for nyash, you can't shout like cow. You dey shout like goat. The other man, you can't dey sweet the other man. Which kind of sweetness can't dey there? Which kind of sweetness can't dey there? Or you as a woman, you dey lick your fellow woman bekus. You dey lick your fellow woman bekus. Then that woman they do then you will be the other woman and you can't be happy. You can see it is not. I don't really understand. Bro, delete the video. Many things they happen for the world, for this world. May I delete the video? No, I don't have anything to do with the video, Lady Juliet. I don't have anything to do with these videos. You understand? But you funny, Honorable Kevin. I funny. No, don't be lying, my brother now. More check and balance now. More check and balance now. Do they sleep with man like you? Man will be say get women, we get big voice. If I they talk now, you know see a man they talk. But if woman they talk, yeah, now you know see yes now woman they talk. Because women they get sexy voice. Women they get that kind of romantic voice. Women they get that kind of fine voice. When we say even the shape of a woman has got to create woman. I will know me and ego hano. How when you see woman, you know they look butch. Because if you even see some girls, your cassava go dey raise. If you see some girls, has got to create them, has got to give it that their backyard, has got to give it that their front, as their front they do like this, it do like this, as their front they do like this. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Your cassava go dey raise. You go dey do like this. Your cassava go dey like hi. Now you just don't live there. As God take create woman, say yes, woman, man must love woman, man must care for woman, man must cherish woman. You just gonna live there. You just gonna live all those our fine sister. Not be the sister way mumu at the talk because many sister mumu. But all those one way still mumu. You as a man when not mumu, you feel still correct them, feel still bring them to your own taste, feel still package them, feel still arrange them. It dey happen if truly you love them. If truly you love them. You understand? So now so many brothers still mumu. But you as a woman, if you love that brother when mumu, draw and come, arrange that brother, care for that brother, love that brother, they there for that brother, then that brother not go mumu again. You understand? I think some days back, I talked to one of my one lady like that. As I talked to the lady now, so the lady is going to tell me, say, bro, she say, when you want, you say, bro, she say, no vex, so he said, I want to ask you one question. I say, my sister, you are free now. Which question? Ask me at the listing. He said, you never marry. Now I said, every question when you want to ask me. He said, yes. Now I say, now I say, no, I never marry. He said, bro, you say, why you know just try, just find one girl out there, just give her belly now. Nothing I say, we they talk as we want to package the rate of single mothers. May therefore enter husband house again. May therefore see man when go care for them, when go deal with them 24/7. Then you they tell me and I say, okay, me I go hard to them. I just can't come on, I just can't go follow woman. Why I not just love? I not say I not love this woman. I not say yes, I not like this woman. Because say maybe yes, I want me the woman, me I just born. or maybe the woman just born for me, then I just go say, I just go there, maybe born at the end, then I come turn to single mother, we come join the single mothers when we get. That means I'm a wicked person. Now there's so many for our brothers for they make mistake. Now there's so many for our sisters for they make mistake. Do you understand? Mama don't come and say, I don't do the hold, I don't do the advance, me I just born, beer, I really beer, I beer your man. Oh, you may beer, for you, what me konu beer, and when you know say you don't love this man, when you know say you don't love this man as a woman, because your man they trouble you, because your pa they trouble you, say me you born, you don't reach to born, then you can't open left for that man. That man can't give you belly. You can't born. Tomorrow you say, I don't love her. Are you okay? Or as a man, you know say, this woman, I don't love this woman. I don't love this woman. But because it don't reach when I want to be born. Because I want me I get picking. Because I never felt born. My mother they disturb me. My party they call me every time. My family they disturb me. Make I born. See your junior ones all of the door born finish. What you they wait for? Okay, now I don't love this woman now. I want to do her. I just give her belly. If she born, if you don't born, I still leave her. Then I find one when I love. I believe say now I make so many women today turn to single mothers. Apart from waiting some men they find. Apart from waiting some men they find. You understand? But these ones now contribute why so many women in Europe turn to single mothers today. You understand? This one contributes why so many women today turn to single mothers. Because you make a man way or saying I have beer, it have disturbing Then you can't follow your man advice, you can't follow your pa advice. Then you can't go down one brother way mumu, you can't go down one brother way they score, you can't go down one brother way not get sense. Then he can't give you belly finish. He won't leave you. Or you can't born the pikin finish. You come and say, I don't love you. I just want to get pikin. I just deal with you that time. I don't want that person when I love. We can rubbish. We can rubbish life with that. Huh? Some brother go say they love you. They go say, if they not marriage, they go die. May you forgive them paper. May you forgive them documents. If you give them documents finish, they go run. If you give them that document finish, they go run. They go make you single mother. That time the content no say you not fine. That time the content no say you not package rich. That time the content no say you not get big hands, you not get big breasts. That time the content no say if you sleep like if you sleep, you they breathe like elephant, you they breathe. When you never give them that document, they don't know about all these ones. But when you don't give them the document now, they can't see all those things, all those many complaints. When you jam the brother, you get money, you they give her money, or you go there, you they use money for her. The brother they love you. The brother they talk say nah, if you not there with you, he go die. Now money don't finish. Money don't finish now. Where the brother now? The brother don't run. Where the brother now? The brother don't run. Yes, the brother don't run because money don't finish. So that is why I tell most of our women, and they tell them, say, they open our eyes. Open your eyes to know that this man is fake. This man just they come because say, I get paper. This man just they come because say, I get money. This man just they come because say, he get what he want gain from me. Just ask yourself, say, if those things, when I try this man come for you, if those things not there again tomorrow, the man go sit there for you. The man go sit there for you. He go wrong. So more than the open our eyes. More than the open our eyes. Because here we know if you want this elle dit saro. Elle dit saro. Ofia. Every day the rate of single mothers are increasing. Mostly all this our guys when come through Libya, when come through Spain today. So many of them now they make this thing they increase. They make how they increase. You see somebody that they fight because of man for road. You dey fight because of boy for road. The boy 1 or 2 they fight because of now. The boy just dey house. They sleep with another woman for house. 1 or 2 they kill themselves for road. 1 or 2 they fight themselves for road. If man tell you say, I'm tired. Tell the man say, you don't even tell when me want even tell you say me I don't tire. When your own go come. When you won't go be like film. When the right man, when God destined for you go be like film. When the woman, when God destined for you as a man go be like film. You understand? Some men go say, because of wetin women don't do me, because of wetin women don't do me, women don't break my heart, women don't do this, women don't do this. Nah. I want them to gay. It's a wrong choice. It's the wrong choice. As ogbowan amayewo man, as ogbowan amayewo is a wrong choice. When one woman break your heart, the other one break your heart, the other one break your heart. You know me say all women are the same. There are still good ones out there. Keep on searching. Keep on looking for the good ones. Some girls go say, because of waiting me, don't do me, me don't to break my heart, me don't to use me, don't me don't to do this, me don't to do that. I want her to single mother. I want her to lesbian. I'm sorry. I want her to lesbian. That will not make sense. Not be the right choice you did choose. Not be the right choice you did choose. Do you understand? If they break your heart, there's still a good man when God keep there for you. The good man still there when God keep there for you. Now for you to open your eyes, may you see her. Being a lesbian is not the best option. Being a lesbian is not the best solution. Being a lesbian is the wrong thing. Is the wrong choice that you have ever made in life. Being a lesbian. Being a gay is the wrong choice you have ever made in life. Being a gay, not the wrong choice when you don't make for your life be that. God creates everything. God creates man. God creates woman. God talk and say, if this one give wetin get to this one will give wetin get to this one. Now you go make am sweet. Now you go make am sweet. God not say me man they marry man. God not say me woman they marry woman. As it dey happen for this world when we dey so. When be say so people will come this abroad. They say cause I want get document. Gay when they not be, though they claim say they be gay. Lesbian when they not be, though they claim say they be lesbian. They'll go commission like this. They'll go tell them for commission say they be lesbian. They'll go tell commission say they be gay, and whereas they not be gay, just to get documents. So when they go reach commissioner tell us okay you be gay, go say yes okay. More call another gay person come. Me wanna to go try. Then from there they don't introduce you to them. From there now you start to do man like you. From there now you start to do woman like you. Okay. Wow. Pauline, Enexing, Laxing. Okay, watching from Greenland. Wow. Kudos, my lady. Watching from Greenland. Wow, 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 wow. Ah, man, by this time, you are still watching me from Greenland. Wow, that is good. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining me. I continue this program tomorrow or some other time because I have to sleep very soon. You understand? This is 11:30. I have to sleep now because tomorrow morning now I don't still get up. You know, see, man must work, man must eat. If you don't first stay for Italy, you know as Italy. Be say Italy, not be like other country. Maybe say things for the shop like that. You understand? But things when I want to try to things when I dey talk things inside nonsense, the sense day. You understand? Inside nonsense, sense day. So pick the ones when you know say you go fit a work. The one when you say no go work for you, leave am. If you be gay, I beg you, have a rethink. Say if you continue like that, how you want to get children? Because God say, come into the world and multiply. If you be lesbian, just ask yourself, say, I want to get children if I continue with this kind of life. You understand? I not say because say maybe I talk now, do you want to make decision? Go jam the wrong man. No. I not say we go jam the wrong man. Because there are so many brother and mumu out there. There are so many sisters and mumu out there, like all those Igbo, some Igbo stupid people. Like all those kind of some Igbo stupid people, that Shoma Lucky, some Igbo stupid people. Now me they talk on because that stupid girl for calling my Benin sisters that name. Our generation, we shall no problem. You understand? I know say you go make the wrong choice. And if you don't firstly make the wrong choice, say maybe you can't be single mother. Open your eyes for the second time. Look well. May you not fall victim again. Because if you be single mother the first time, you be single mother the second time, you be single mother the third time, 3 pikin, 3 papa, or 4 pikin, 4 papa. My dear, now you use your hand cause. Now you use your hand cause problem when they affect you. Yes. Now use your hand cause problem when they affect you. Because if the first one come, you make you single mother, you get one for her, you still have the chance to see a good man. Yo, my brother, Dada Masses. This man is a presenter. Dada Masses. Good evening, my brother. Lovely evening to you. How is the family, your wife and children? I greet you, my brother. You understand? You be single mother the first time, they see opportunity still there for you to marry again, to enjoy your life again. But being single mother the second time, yes, opportunity is still there for you to marry again. But being single mother the third time, my dear, I know where we woyaria wamie no kaure ema no boge ware ema no boge are ema no boge nere ema. Yeah, I don't know where wamie. And wetin dey really dey affect some women. I want to tell you the truth this night. Wetin dey really affect some women. Some women, they will be single mother. Una get 2 children, una get 3 children, una get 4 children. Una want enter relationship. Una no go enter relationship with man wey don first get 2, 3, 4 like una. Una dey find single guy. That be waiting dey kill so many women out there. Una dey find single guy. It is wrong now. Go for man wey just born like you. Go for man wey just get experience of children like you. Yeah, good evening, my lady. Go for man wey just get experience of children like you. You understand? Not go for man wey be say he never gets. As I be now, I never changed pampers before. I never changed pampers before. I never changed pampers. I never even know I they change pampers. Yes, thank you, my darling. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, you understand? I never changed pampers before. I never born before. I never changed pampers before. Then I can't jump woman wey be say he get children. He can't tell me say change pampers. I don't feel change am because I never get the experience before. I never get the experience before. I want to change am. Or you can't give me pikin say oh yeah baff am. Come feed pikin. I don't feel do am. But if you say I don't feel get pikin before, I don't know as my wife till they do am. I don't get the experience. So if I date person who don't still get children, if I marry person who don't still get children, I will get that experience. Now there's so many people they make mistake. Or you just can't believe as the person will be say he never born before. He can't carry you when don't born 3, you when don't born 4. He can't carry you go meet the family, say, mommy, daddy, look at the woman I want to marry. They can't ask you, say, how many children she get. You can't tell her, you go to your family, say she get 4 children or she get 3 children before. Huh? It makes sense. It makes sense. As I been, I can't drag one woman, go meet my family, can't tell my family, say, this woman, he get 3 children before, he get 4 children before. Nah, I want to marry her. As me with this, I never get. My family will ask me, say, still they work? This one, it still they work? I've been at Europe when you enter, now they affect you. You still they work? You understand? But if, for example, say maybe now one now, just say okay, now one, I beg. But no be theory. You can't find person when you never born. You can't find person when you never feel married. I want to walk. The truth is bitter. I want to walk. I want to walk, guys. Do not tell me I want to walk. Before you come, okay, more your stop now, it's okay. For example, now, see, you will never fail get. You can't get a woman when you basically don't get 3. You can't train the 3 children for the woman. The woman, they train 3 children. The woman can't still born for you. How you want to carry the load? I want to say this one at Europe. If person even too born for Europe, person will never born before. If you too born for Europe, if you born 2, 3. Finish. The conja woman will get 3 picking. Then you can't burn your own joiner. You don't gog be that. You don't gog be that, my brother. You don't gog. That one what they call gogging. You don't gog. Yeah? If you can't burn your own joiner, how you want it? I don't want it cope. I don't want it train them. That's if they say some family fight every day, problem every day, fight every day, useless man, useless woman, useless man, useless woman, useless man. Yes, now these things they cause the problem. Now these things they cause the problem. Huh? So if you don't feel born, you see man we never born, my dear. Why they give them chance? Why they leave them? Because all those guys will never feel born, they go come, they want to chop your bekos, they want to chop your money, make they run. Because no say this woman don't feel, he don't get children. So now to you chop your money, chop your bekos, enjoy what I want to do. If I do finish, I go find the woman we never feel born, me I go marry to. Yes, that is the truth. That is the truth. No, favor Patrick Osage. There is nothing wrong with that. I don't say anything wrong with that. But you as a woman we don't get at least 3 children. You as a woman we don't get 3 children or we don't get children. Then man we never feel born. He can't come. Say he want to marry you. It take only the grace of God. It take only the grace of God. It's a 100 men. It's a 100 single men. We want to say they want marry single marry women we don't feel born. You know they reach 2 when they marry for inside. The rest 98. They know they marry them. They know they marry all those women. Yes. You know, they marry them. No, they tell ourselves the truth. The truth is bitter. The truth is bitter. Not be all those people, not be all those parents when they say they go see the truth because they don't want hot tuna. They'll come begin the painter, begin the painter, they light, they deceive. No, I don't be those kind of people. I they talk the truth. If I tell you the truth, take her. Take the truth from me. Now let God grace. Now you tell see guy when you have a born. When we say we come marry a person we don't get children before. It take God's grace. You understand? I know say yes. I know say no they happen, but it take the grace of God, my dear, my lady. Me, my prayer every day is that all single mothers they should find love again. They should find love again. May they for their husband house. That's my prayer every day. Because speaking when we say 2-person train, it is difficult unless of 1 person. Forget the government assistance. But speaking when we say every day they see Papa. If Papa enters, go say daddy don't come. That fear go there. You understand? No be those one we say only you go the trainer. No. Even though see the man not get, but not to go there. The people they see and say yes, the both party they take offer. Yeah, good evening, my sister. Good evening. You understand? The people they see and say yes, my papa, my mama, they are too there. It gets sometimes when we say the man, if he still come like this, baby, I know if he carry on more go school. I beg you, let me drop him for school. He go say okay. He go say okay, go help you drop him for school. That one I still help. Only I just the cook. I don't feel the food. I bet you they come. Let me carry people come from school. That one are the love when they talk. Because na in pikin, na in born, na in blood. But Nehemiah Bieni, the one we not born. If you want to kind of go school, you go to grumble, you go fair talk. Some useless men, they'll fair talk. Mon bia, woman gera, woman keleraye, mon do have more stress nana, or money ma bia. Even though say the man will tell you for your face, but for inside his mind, he go to talk. I be man. For inside the man, he go to talk and they go. You can't use me to do errands. You can't use me to do boy for picking one not born. Now me carry picking go school. And now me carry picking come back from school. But if na man we don't fair born, if na man we fair get picking, you go say, I get picking. Other parents they do the same thing to my picking. They carry my picking, they go school, they help my picking. So me actually they help this one. Okay, thank you. Favor God's power. There is difference now. Difference there for your own picking. A picking when you not born. Big difference there now. More the check and balance now. More the check and balance. More the check and balance. Yeah, my brother. Otoile, I greet you, my brother, I greet you. You understand? Difference there. Because some men, they look and say, if me and this woman are separate now, all the money I don't take train this pikin now, all of the dog way because not be my pikin, not be my blood. Not be my blood. That's why you see say some men when we say they marry all these women when they fair get picking. Man when we say he never fair born when we say they marry someone when they fair get picking. Some of them they go even give the woman money to cook. They go tell her say make the other children when you fair born make they not eat for inside. Yes. They go tell the woman say if money no can be any in area na. That is it. But if na him born them. He will do them like that. No. We dey tell ourselves the truth. Not be one man that the other day he rent 2-room apartment. The woman when be say if he marry, the woman don't get one girl. That girl is about I think 9 years before the woman come born for the man. So when they are two come there now, the man come carry another boy come and say me that boy come rent the room when the girl dey, when the small girl dey. Say me the small girl dey sleep for parlor because of not being born the girl. Then I'm going to tell her say, if now you born this girl 9 years old, you go around that man come because stay for that room. When you know say now female pikin now get. If we not come their house, that man when want to rent this room now, he come begin the sugar for my pikin bekus. I will go tell no. The man say that one not concern now. Make the woman carry the pikin go give the papa. Make the pikin go give papa. That one not concern and not be born the pikin. Then the woman tell her say, if not so, you go work out your own, you go leave me. Then they separate. But if now some useless women when we say cassava they sweet them, they don't want to leave cassava. They go say, no problem, I need to get this sleep for parlor. Before you know, tenants want to rent that house for. It go give the girl belly. It go be like film. It go give the girl belly. You understand? It go give the girl belly. So that is yours it. So on that note, before I leave this live video now, because I have to go now, Efeyi, I want to quickly pass a message to Efeyi. Efeyi, you as a person, or you as a presenter, or as you call yourself, I will tell you that you behave childish. You behave like a baby. You behave like a baby. In short, you be baby. You go London. They carry you enter house. They entertain you. When you are not even a magician, you are not a celebrity. They carry you enter house. They entertain you. They show you love. You never come out for London. You begin to talk, say, if London people, if they peace, they know they flush, they go allow people they peace before they come flush. They go allow people they shit for. What is wrong with you? Are you okay, Efeyi? Are you okay? Are you okay? Who are you? Who makes you a star? These Facebook things, what they do, we say, this is one thing I give I give her kudos. Because that woman come, she meet you for street and she leave you for street of London. I wish that woman carry you go house. Not be say you go visit her. Now as her house be, as she say they eat, as she say they go peace, as she say they do everything for us. Now you for come record, come they play for social media. Yes, that's Efeyi. I'm talking to Efeyi. Efeyi one, Efeyi bright or so. That's what I'm talking to. As that woman not carry you go a house, that woman just see you for street. He carry you go there for the buy drink. He buy you drink. He come on leave you for there. Now so you just good rich. Not be princess by waiting. Wait call for you they dance. Wait call herself married woman. Before you they dance, they raise leg, they raise hands, they do everything for you. And you yourself you get woman for house. If you have the wife. When I want to talk now, say your wife understand. Not be say your wife understand. Fear not go let her talk because she don't want to become single mother. She don't want to become single mother. That is why if you don't let her talk. Because she fell born for Oyibo die. Now she take jam you. Now she don't born 2 or 3 for you now. If she leave you now, who want put her for house? Who want put woman with 4 pikin for house? Or who want put woman with that is not those things that the woman they look for your body. If not, she will not push you away. Because 1, you are a drunkard. 1, you are a drunkard. 2, you not sabi talk. You not sabi talk. 3, you behave like person when they be one spoil. 4, you behave like a normally bottle. You understand? A grown-up man like Efeyi. A grown-up man like Efeyi. Look at what he was doing on live video yesterday with Princess by mistake. with princess by mistake when she in London. When she dey call herself say she be mother of kids. When she dey call herself say she be married woman. When she dey call herself say she be married woman, look at what she was doing with Efe. Efe that call himself a married man. They dance, they raise leg, go up. They raise yash. They give Efe a breast. They hold Efe. They do Efe like, they do Efe like. When you know say Efe is Efe is sick up here. Person when be sick will do a program. Like person will want die. Like person will want die. Wait, who know Efe? If not be that woman when Efe born for Igbo, when Igbo die, that woman money na Efe they use. That woman money na Efe they use. Efe not get money. Which the Efe start to dey work here? Now Italy I dey. Now Italy Efe dey. I get Efe secrets. People send that to me. You just say I don't want to do saga. If you go still come out, you go see they do nonsense. You go still come out, you go see they talk bad of people. When you won't fool your body. You want they laugh people for London, say if they shit, don't they flush. If they piss, don't they flush. If they come to your house dirty pass all those people's house. If they come to your house for Italy, yeah, for Bologna, when you did there, that Bologna when you hide there, your ass dirty pass all those people's house. But you sure body you take go London now, you go they mock them. You go they say if they shit, they don't go flush. If they piss, they don't go flush because they don't want to waste water, because they don't want to pay bills, because they live fake life. Because they live fake life. No, my sister. Let me tell you something. I'm not going to live on just like that. I need to talk things into your head. And I they blame the followers, the viewers, when go they look those rubbish when they talk. Because always they talk now rubbish. Wait till they gain there. Now so pekus long, now so pekus small, now so pekus short, now so Kokobi don't analyze now. Now so don't do this now. Now so women are prostitute, now so women are shower, now so this, now so that. Those one that wait till they gain from a fake show. Those are rubbish. One thing when he make me they talk to her, that Oyedo talk show when he give himself, then he make me they talk to her. If you remove that name now, I no go talk to her again. But that name when he give himself, as he call himself Oyedo, you know they behave like Oyedo. Me, I go they talk to her. Me, I go they insult her every time. I go they insult her every time. Or things start to they behave with that name. Except you go change that name from that Oyedo talk show, you go change that name. Because that man is not showing good example. Those one are person when get picking like be that one. Shall they behave? I believe say wife go they watch that live video yesterday. I believe say children go they watch that live video yesterday. When princess by mistake they hold her, they dance with her, they give her a yarn. That's why they thought say wife understand. Una do that thing for front of camera like that. Who come do wanna do out of camera? As una end that live video yesterday, who can't wait to do? Whether a fair can open a team, put aside your team, whether something can happen, whether something nobody know. Now let God now we will fit ask that question. What can happen outside camera? If that one when me see yesterday, if that one fit happen for camera, when we say so many people they watch una, that kind of thing go on. If that one fit happen, that means what happen outside camera. Now let God know. Now let God know. Okay, favor, because of what you just wrote now, I rest my case. But my brother, Faye Bright, la wo what mean? Change your way, la wo. No I arios ozangedo, no I arios zangima, wala wo. Wage awe mi say, aga titine, okay na age mi you because you when you go London, they respect you. Do not be celebrity, but they respect you. They carry you come their house. They show you love. So why you know just even though you say anything for their house, you just lock up. Lock up. Because if it's easy, you for rent hotel. If you too get the money, you for rent hotel. And you see person carry enter house, respect them. You understand? No matter what you see there, If you talk, if you not feel stage, you come on. Don't say you can't talk bad of them. Because they talk say they live fake life. Because they say they go shit, they go live. Other person go come shit. Other person go come peace. Other person go come peace. They not go one flush. Not good, now, my brother. Not good. You understand? So on that note, I rest my cakes. If you they do things, Mona they do good things, because good things they pay, bad things they pay. So I want to rest my cakes. I remain your friend, your boy, your son, your brother. Peace, man. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Collins God Pikin is my YouTube channel. Collins God Pikin. Those of you who don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, may God bless you now. Because mostly women, now they subscribe to my YouTube channel. May God bless you now. Men, I better not let women win you now. Mona subscribe, because as long as they subscribe, the names they come for my email. So YouTube see they send me the name, say so person subscribe to your YouTube channel. Even one girl when subscribe, which day, yeah, OB something. She was with me here since. I don't know if I can still see that her full name. OB something. Oh, don't know if I can just see that her full name. So thank you, my sister. Yeah, Tracy OB. Yeah, Tracy OB subscribed to my YouTube channel, I think yesterday. I believe yesterday. So they sent me the message. So thank you, my sister. Thank you, my mothers. Now when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, God bless you now. You understand? Whenever you subscribe, I be want to try to subscribe. When they share my videos, may God bless you now. When they comment, may God bless you now. When they look me, if I they talk, may God bless you now. Because if not be una, who be me? If not be una, who be the rest presenter? Now they make us they get joy. I beg, wanna not still remove hand for our back, wanna still they support us, they go. So all those bloggers, when they carry our videos, may God bless you now. You understand? May God bless all of now. The big bloggers, the ones when they come from under, and we when we see they come from under, because if you don't still to present, you can still turn to blogger. Maybe you say your YouTube don't boast. So may God bless all of you now. And may God protect each and every one of you. You understand? Anybody when see me our water no boil, we won't see fire. We won't see matches stay lighting you. You understand? And anyway, we therefore plan evil against any of us, it will return back to sender by the fire of God. By the fire of God, it will return back to sender. It will return back to sender in Jesus' name. You understand? On that note, I leave you all, guys. Let me go to bed now. Good night, and God bless and remain blessed.